Here are the babies, and we've just hidden treat-filled Easter eggs out in the yard. Go find the treats! Go get them! Oh, they're searching. Find the treats, guys! What was on the first treat? Get it open, Bug! Oh, she got it! It's open! Come here, Clarky. Over here. Right here. Clark! Clark! What's this? Clarky! What's this? Right here. Clark. Oh, Buckle got that one too. She's too fast. She's too fast for you. Come here, bud. That one's yours. Lily, go find your own. Look at the egg, not the treat. Oh, and Buckle just jumped out and took it out of my hand. Okay, they're going to need assistance, but they are finding the eggs.